is supposed to get down into the 30s tonight. This weather is not normal, I tell you. Shit. So I'm gonna get the fireplace running here. Alright. So you guys can see what it looks back there. It's pretty pretty. I gotta come and turn all the candles off a little bit. Oh, I need this. So how's the weather where you guys are? Huh? No one has anything to say? Can I get a like? Got 10 people with your little nosy asses. Y'all want to say anything? What's up? This is Shay. How you guys doing tonight? Alright, so, hi. Alright, so, I want to clean this out a little bit before I get this fire started. Shut this door. So where y'all from? No one said anything. What's up? Y'all don't have anything to say? Where y'all from? What's going on tonight? It's Friday night. What y'all doing? Alright. No one's, let's see. Am I not seeing it here? Oh, this is the share button. Like sharing shit, nobody. Let me take this jacket off. I'm getting hot. Oh. Hello. You guys are not gonna say anything? You don't talk? Y'all don't chat? I see 7 people in here. Y'all just being nosy, strolling through YouTube, being nosy. Okay, what am I looking for? Oh, I need this shovel. Alright. Alright, people, what's up? Is it that I can't see the damn chat? What the hell? Why y'all not saying nothing? Oh shit, this shit dirty as hell. Yeah, napkin. Light out. Alright. Where's the paper towel? Oh, this is dirty. Alright, folks. Clean this out a little bit before I set the fire. You guys got a fireplace at your house? Good. Hello? Why I don't hear